Good morning, boys. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ako laging pumapalakpak sa mga intro ko. As I mentioned sa reaction video ko sa music video ni Yeji, pinre-order ko lahat ng albums niya, lahat ng versions. And dumating na siya actually 2 days ago. Pero wala akong time. Hindi ako nagkaroon ng time para i-unbox siya. But guess what? I'm ready today. Okay, so let's unbox them together, my friend. Wait lang, ayusin natin yung second camera natin to make sure that you see what I see. You know what? Actually, I don't know what to do. I'm just gonna unbox it like normal pag hindi ako nagpi-film. And then, it's just like we're unboxing together. Okay, so let's start with the POB set. It comes with this. And then, I have 2 photo cards. Ooh! Yung Bella Porch version. And yung Kyujin haircut version. I don't know what it's officially called, but let's just call it that. Naka-shorts ako, hindi lang halata. Let's start sa photo card set. Okay. I hope you can see. Okay. Let's open it. Okay, first box. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ito yung una. Oh shit. Next. Next. Puro full body. Next. Yeah, puro full body. I mean, I don't mind. Mas gusto ko lang sana mas kita yung mukha. Yun no. Yan. That's more like it. Okay, next. Last one. That's it. And this is just the QR code for, I guess, the album itself. Ang dami kong kailangang sleeve. Hindi ko sure kung meron akong enough sleeve for all of the photo cards that I'll be getting today. Let's see. Let's see next. Let's do it. First one. Ooh! Ooh! Oh eh. Ang ganda nung nakasalamin na Yeji. Kung inasan ka. Next. Oh, another full body. Full body apparition. Next. Oh, yes. Next. Full body na naman. Next. Okay. Short black hair. Yan ang gusto ko. The short black hair. And then last. Actually, parang mas gusto ko tong set na to kaysa dun sa kanina. Okay, next is the oxygen version. Oxygen version. Okay. Oxygen version yata. Tinignan ko yung sa highlights nung Instagram eh. Wala kasing picture, diba? Hindi kasi ako nanood ng ibang unboxing para, alam mo yun, ako may experience. Ooh. Amoy Korea. CD, photobook, envelope plus clip, which is ito siguro. Acrylic keyring, postcard, air card, Polaroid, photo card, sticker, 2-cut photo. Okay, let's start with this. Start with the keyring. Okay. And then we have this. Okay, I have no idea what it means, but it's just leaves. Check ko na lang siya pag hindi na ako nag-film. But for the sake of unboxing, let's check everything. Ooh! Ooh! Ganda na to. Okay. So that's 2. We opened 2. This is basically just the CD itself. which is not put in correctly. And for the moment I've been waiting for, let's start with the postcards. Tama ba? Postcards tawag dito. Yes, postcard dalawa. Hindi man lang binuo. No, but that's nice. It's nice looking. Ayun, nabuo. Nice. Wait. Ooh. What do you call this? Two-cut photo. Okay. Sticker 1, sticker 2, and sticker 3. Polaroid. Oh, mas maganda yung... Ay! Ang ganda na quality nito. Air card. Random 1 out of 3. Ah, so isang photo card out of 3 lang makukuha mo. Tapos air card isa lang din. Polaroid 1 out of 2. Pre-order only. Okay. Game? Air identity card. And then next. Nice! Mystery box version. This is the mystery box version. What does it come with? Sleeve box. Ito, CDR. Photo book. Envelope. Lenticular postcard. Folding lyric poster. Photo card. Mini L holder. Okay. Wow, wowie. Ay, sorry. Ako na yung tumitingin. Kalimutan ko, nagpifilm ako. Okay. May papel. Oy. Oy. Ang ganda nito. Grabe Ganda ni Yeji Ito. Pero amoy talaga yung papel. Actually, hindi ko alam kung amoy papel or amoy yung pang bookbind na glue. Okay, that's it. Lenticular postcard. Actually, marami naman yung loob. Wala pala. Kala ko meron din dito. Uy, gagi, ang ganda. And marami akong photocard na ganito. Pero iba to, may texture talaga siya. Yung iba kong photocard na ganito, syempre hindi Yeji, pero yung iba kong photocard na ganito, wala siyang texture. Ito may texture Nabibigyan mo ng hustisya ng camera. Parang hindi. Ito yung folding lyric poster. Hindi ka siya. Ito po siya, Sa likod, what's this? Mini L holder. Pre-order only. Tsaka isa pang photocard pre-order only. Ito yung L holder tapos isang photocard na pre-order only. Tapos 2 out of 5 na actual photocard. Okay, so ito yung 2 out of 5. Focus. Ito yung pangalawa. Nice. Ano yung hawak niya? Carrots? Lapis. At ang ganda ng likod nito. And then yung photocard na pre-order only is this. Woo! Ito yung sinasabi nila sinasabi dun sa na mini L holder. Bakit L? What's L? Okay, and we're down to the last two, which is the photobook version. Photobook version, we have photobook version A and photobook version B. Let's start with version A. Apparently, ito yung version A yung nakatayo. Here is version A. Let's zoom it out a little. Okay. Ang ganda nito. Ang ganda nito. Parang ito favorite ko so far sa lahat-lahat. and the CD itself. Alright. That's version A. This is the poster. Or ano tawag ito? Folding poster. This is the folding poster. Hidden message card, pre-order only, photo book, pre-order only. Photo book? Hindi ba yun yung binuksan natin? Hang tag. The hang tag is hard to see. Kailangan may something white. This is the hang tag. Para ako nagla-live sell. And then this is the hidden message card. Do you scratch this? I don't know. I won't do it. And then photo sticker. Oh, sticker to. Isang square, isang circle. Okay. Okay. Logo sticker. And then printed photo, pre-order only. Ilan nakalagay? Random 2 out of 4. Printed photo, random 2 out of 4. Okay. This and this. Ako lang ba ang scary na to? And then the postcard. Good quality kaya to. Like kunwari, di ba may mga tao nilalagay nila yung mga sticker nila sa ano, sa mga tumbler, sa laptop, o nagfe-fade siya. I feel like nagfe-fade siya kasi parang, well, I'm not gonna risk it. I won't put it anywhere. Photo cards, random 2 out of 6. Okay. Shit, I like this. Parang ito paboritong photo card ni Yeji ever. Dito sa comeback na to. Let's move on to photobook version B. It's landscape. Okay, version B. Okay. Grabe yung amoy. Ooh. Okay. Start tayo dito sa folded poster. Folding poster. Oh! It's basically the same thing. Hidden message thingy. Sticker, photo sticker. The tag. Sticker din to? Hindi sticker to isa. Logo sticker. Logo sticker. 2 printed photos. And then last, the postcard. Okay. Ready? Oh, baliktad. Nice. Okay. We've opened everything. We've unboxed everything. And now, we add it to my collection. My collection of Yeji is here. The altar of Yeji is here. This is my Yeji memorabilia collection so far. May overflow na dito sa baba. Pero we're just giving way para pag dumating yung special edition, dito siya lalagay. Okay, that's it. That's everything. We've opened everything. Nag-pre-order na rin ako nung special edition. Ano nga ba tawag doon? Wait. Pagka-release yesterday ng special edition, nag-pre-order agad ako. 2 versions. Let's wait for that and then I'm gonna unbox that. But thank you for unboxing with me. I hope you enjoyed. And thank you for, I don't know, bro. And thank you for 109 subscribers. See you next time. Bye.